What you got there in your mouth? What did you bring from outside? What you got in your mouth? Gigi, what is it? You a little tired? What do you have hanging on your lip? What do you have hanging on your lip there? Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, maybe it's not hanging on your lip. Maybe you just want to have it. Maybe you just want to have it to have it. Can Mama have it? Can the Mama have it? Can the Mama take it from you? Can Mama take it from you? Good boy. Here. I don't know what it is. Want it back? Want it back? Chewed on leaf. Okay. There. What's the boy doing? Yeah, what's the boy doing? I hear him. What's he doing? What's he doing, the boy? I just wonder what you're doing with that leaf. I can hear him. Can you hear the boy? What you doing there with that leaf? You're gonna just take that to bed too when we go to bed? Huh? You wanna take that to bed with you? Wanna know what Bruno's doing? The daddy's gone for the week and Bruno has snatched daddy's chair. His arm hanging out comfortable. What you doing with that leaf? What you doing with that leaf? Okay, I'm going to leave it. It's not going to bed with us, okay? You can have it until we go to bed and then I put it in the trash. That JJ. That JJ. He's tired too. You tired, little boy?